Hi guys, so today we will be seeing my fourth car, which is actually my grandmom's daily driver. This is a 2010 Alto VXI K10. So this is not the normal Alto, not the 800cc engine. This has got the 1000cc K series 1 liter engine, which is really powerful, nice engine, three cylinder 1000cc engine. This is but this was the VXI variant, which is the top of the line variant. So this is one of the smallest cars that we have, but really cute car to drive. I mean, really fast, also can park anywhere. It is small hatchback compact, so really like driving this car as well. This car was bought brand new in 2010, but it's got very light usage. The car has only got exactly 20,000 kilometers now on it after 11 years, which is really amazing. And you can see the condition of the car. You rarely find Altos in this condition. Normally they're really used heavily, but really clean car, all original paint, no problem onto the car. You can see original seat covers all the way inside. It's got the wheel caps also, nothing fallen off, everything's in place. As you can see, it's got the fog lights also inbuilt from the company. So as I said, the VXI model I've not got any major upgrades onto it, so I've just got the unlock lock installed onto it because it did not have that. So yeah, it's simple, just gets unlocked. As you can see, the car has got good amount of space inside the cabin as well. Good. It's, I mean, for someone like me who's 6 feet tall, I can also drive the car comfortably. Got some, even with the seat absolutely behind in my driving position, there's still good amount of room for the rear passengers as well. And the best part, as I'll show you guys, I've installed a music system in this car. You all have seen music system is a priority in all my cars. So it's got two JBL round speakers at the back, which give good enough sound for the car. For the size of the car, it's quite good. As you can see, no cracked tail lights, nothing. Everything stands in mint condition. Even the original stickers and everything that came from the dealership, the car is absolutely in the condition that it came on day one. So really nice car. It's also got the front two power windows. This came standard. So as you can see, very simple and easy to use. It's got a basic AC, 1 2 3 4, cool, hot, direction of flow, inside out, internal circulation, exterior, red buttons all the way, just the parking lights. It's, as I said, I've got the Pioneer music system. Music system is what I've given priority to. It's got the power windows on both the sides, work absolutely fine even to this date. It's got the adjustable outside rear view mirrors, which is it's a very good feature in that in 2010 to get in an Alto. It is only available in the VXI. Even things like an RPM meter were not available that time in the base variant. It is only available in the VXI. So amazing stuff. As you can see, the car's got 20,000 kilometers on it after 10 years of usage. So really mint condition, barely anything. One full tank in this car, like it's driven so less that it is going to last you like months. And it's got speakers in the front as well, small speakers. That's from the factory. I haven't changed those. I've only installed the ones at the back, not done anything much. Just a basic car to use in and around the city. Really fun to drive, small, nice, compact. Not many quirks and features that I can show you, but yeah, I mean the basic stuff. Good amount of power, goes to about 150 maximum. I've not pushed it further than that. That's what I feel is good enough for this kind of a car. But I mean, just an amazing car. Always one of my favorite cars to drive, to take in and around. So this concludes, like I've shown you guys, four of my cars by the time this video is out. You can see it's got brand new tires as well that I've installed in 2020 only, because the old ones had got hard even though they had all the tread on them, but I believe in replacing tires. So rest of it is all good, perfect, runs perfectly, amazing car. So yeah, that's about it. Future cars will also come. My other cars are parked elsewhere at another house, so when I get time I'm gonna go there and show you those cars as well. So yeah, thank you guys, take care.